Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve messenger settings. To know how to fix or to solve messenger settings, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will search about messenger and you will enter here. Then you will go to click for stop and you will click OK. After that we'll enter to storage. Here in this page you click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone. You will wait 3 seconds and you can turn on your phone again. Then you can know how to fix your messenger settings on your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.